Mussels are a tasty way to meet weekly seafood and protein goals. Did you know they are simple to cook up too? Learn how with this delicious butternut squash and mussel soup from our friend, chef and sustainable seafood advocate, Barton Seaver. Use mussels that are tightly closed, discarding any that don't close when gently tapped. Remove brown thread-like seaweed, called the beard, from shells. Rinse mussels under cold water, pat dry, and wash hands. Now that the mussels are ready to go, this recipe cooks up fast, making it a perfect work night meal. The cooking liquid from the mussels will serve as the base of our soup. Once onions are caramelized, we add the base, butternut squash, and miso, cooking until squash is tender. Return shelled mussels to soup and serve with tarragon oil. Find this recipe and more seafood tips on bigY.com. Until next time, be well.